Good morning, class. Today we are going to watch a short video and answer some questions.
Excuse me, Miss Martin. Can I go use the bathroom, please?
Sure, Caillou, but please make it quick.
Thank you so much. Today is April Fool's Day, so I am going to pull the fire alarm as an April Fool's prank and scare the whole school. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Uh-oh. The fire alarm is going off. Please get in single file line. Okay, it looks like everyone is here. Wait, where is Caillou?
Oh, I'm right here.
Oh, there you are. Where have you been?
I was still inside using the bathroom. Had a bad stomachache.
Ah, I see.
Okay everyone, this was not a fire drill. There are currently no fires in the building. However, Caillou was the one who pulled the fire alarm switch. He will be sent to my office and be in a lot of trouble.
Caillou, how dare you pull down the fire alarm switch? That's it. Go to the principal's office now. I'm also calling your parents.
Oh no 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 no. Whoa.
So Caillou, can you please tell me why you pulled the fire alarm switch?
Because I wanted to prank the whole school since today is April Fool's Day.
Oh. My. Freaking. God, Caillou, are you actually freaking kidding me right now? How dare you pull the fire alarm switch as an April Fool's prank? You know that was not funny at all. Now thanks to you, the school is getting sued for wasting the emergencies authorities' time. That's it. You are suspended for 10 months. Get out of this school right now. Your parents were already called as well.
Well, Caillou, since you pulled the fire alarm switch today, we can go to Chuck E. Cheese.
No really.
April Fools, you really think that we would take you over to Chuck E. Cheese right after you pulled the fire alarm switch? Fuck no, absolutely not. Why would you do that? Why? 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 Please explain why the hell you did something like this.
It's because I wanted to prank the whole school since today is April Fool's Day. I'm really sorry, Mom and Dad.
It was not a very funny or good prank. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them really seriously. Your apology is not acceptable. How dare you? Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm switch as an April Fool's prank? That's so it. You are grounded for a full year. Go to your room now. And also, if you guys are still watching, this goes for you too. Don't ever pull down the fire alarm switch or else you will face major consequences just like Caillou.